Hello and welcome to my channel. So to start this Halloween look off, I paint my whole face with a white face paint, and this is by Snazaroo. I do leave the eyes open for now, but you can cover them if you want to. Next, I fill up my airbrush gun with the Pro Performance HD Airbrush Makeup by MAC, and this is in the shade Basic Red, and I just paint myself a big clown smile. If you do not have an airbrush gun, you can do this with an eyeshadow or just sponge on some red face paint. This whole makeup look is meant to be really messy, so do not worry about any clean lines. Once I've done that, I create the clown nose, and I do exactly the same but just spray around the end of my nose. And then I move to the top of my forehead and create a kind of like a contour but in bright red across the top of my forehead. Once I've done that, I create a darker red by mixing the red face paint and the black face paint and spray that across my forehead but closer to the hairline, as we want it to ombre into dark. And then I'm going to do the same on my nose and also my mouth. With that same dark red, I create some triangles on my neck, starting at my jawline and then going down to the bottom of my neck, reaching a point. Now using the colour black, I go into the centre of the smile and make it a really dark centre. I then spray that black all over my eyes. Before I spray the outer corners of my eyes, I scrunch my eyes up to make them really wrinkled, and then I spray the black over it, so when I relax my face you see all these creases in the makeup. I then spray that black in the centre of my nose so it matches the mouth, and then I do the same at the top of my forehead. Now to create the triangles at the top of the eyes, I do use that black paint and just spray it upwards. I do correct this later on because I think I made them way too thick, but you'll see that in a minute. I then do the same underneath my eye, and now I am correcting them. If you can see, I spread some white over them, and now I'm making them a little bit thinner. I also go back over my nose because I did not think it was dark enough. So once I've done that, I then fill in the gaps on my neck and create the black triangles next to them. Before I finish this look off, I decide to put my wig on and clip it up and style it. Then with a very small detail brush and some black face paint, I draw some lines up the mouth to create a smile, and then I go in between them and join them up. With that same brush, I go back to my neck and perfect the points of the triangle. I then get some eyeliner and put it in my waterline, and then the look is complete. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you liked it by pressing the like button down below and leaving a comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss any of my future videos, because I have so much more coming. If you want some more Halloween inspiration this month, make sure you're following me on my Instagram because I'm doing the 31 days of Halloween challenge over there. My name on there is Brooke.Ellis_, and it will be linked in the description down below, as well as all the products that I've used in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.